Your brain is broken, and you're about to fix it in one breath. Right now, your mind is a browser with 100 tabs open. You're overwhelmed, distracted, stuck in loops of anxiety and procrastination. And the worst part? You've trained yourself to live like this. Every notification, every scroll, every just one more minute. It's rewiring your brain to crave chaos. And if you don't hit Control plus Alt plus Del on this cycle today, you'll wake up in 10 years wondering where your life went. Harvard research shows your brain has a reset button, the vagus nerve. Activate it, and you switch from fight or flight to focus in seconds. Here's how. Take one deep breath, but not like this. Like this. Inhale deeply in 4 seconds. Feel your ribs expand. Hold for 2 seconds. Let oxygen hit your bloodstream. Exhale slowly in 6 seconds. Trigger your relaxation response. Do this now. I'll wait. Your brain is a muscle. And right now, it's flabby. You wouldn't sprint without warming up. Why expect focus without resetting? Before checking your phone in the morning. When anger hits during an argument. Mid-afternoon slump. Do this 10x/day for 3 days. Your brain will start auto-resetting. No willpower needed. Most people will watch this and keep living on autopilot. But you? You now have a weapon. The next time stress hijacks you, remember, 5 seconds. One breath. That's all it takes to rewire your life. Drop a 1 in the comments if you did the reset. Now go UNF*CK your day.